Welcome back. So as we've been telling you, the start is likely to be a little on the cautious side because of the red across the Asian screens. That's the implied open, about 14, 15 points lower. But lots of individual stocks in focus as always. And we have our team standing by with the CNBC-TV18 list of top stocks to watch. Let's kick it off with some M&A then. Medi in focus because it's snapped up another company. Yash, good morning. Tell us the details.
Well, it should be the largest transaction as far as the TP or the third-party administration space is concerned. Medi has acquired Paramount TPA. Now, the enterprise value for this particular company is at about 312 crore rupees. Estimated equity value for Paramount TPA goes to about more than 400 crore rupees. Now, as far as Paramount TPA is concerned, it's slightly bigger than the previous transactions which Medi has done, and hence comes at a higher valuation as well. Paramount TPA is about 2.5 times sales versus Raksha TPA, the company which Medi acquired previously at 1.7 times sales, and Medvantage at about 1 time sales. But importantly, what does Paramount TPA bring to Medi? It is the largest TPA in the group segment as on FY24. The acquisition will take Medi to have a total market share in the group segment to 36.6% and in the health insurance segment to about 23.6%. So fits in well with what the company wants to as far as the group business is concerned, takes the company to a higher market share and accretive to EPS for the company, that is Medi as well.
Okay, thumbs up there. Thanks a lot for that, Yash. Well, let's hop across to Vivek. He's tracking a few companies. Hi, Vivek. Good morning. Take us through the list.
Good morning. So 2 companies first on my radar. GPT Infraprojects, company is looking to raise close to 175 crore. This is via the QIP route. Base size for this particular deal is 150 crore. The upsize option the company has is another 25 crore. The indicative floor price for this particular transaction or the fundraise is at 174.6 rupees a share, almost 6.5% discount to the current market price. Motilal Oswal is the sole broker to this particular deal. The other stock on the radar is Ceigall. Now, it's a recent listing. The company has just come out with its Q1 numbers. A good set of numbers from the company this time around as well. Revenues higher by almost 26.5%, coming in at close to the 823 crore mark. EBITDA higher by 65% on a year-on-year basis at 144 crore. Margins at 17.5%. A good margin expansion seen over on a year-on-year basis as well. Profitability higher by 80%. Where does the order book stand? At the end of or on listing day, the company said that they had an order book of close to 9,400 crore, 80% which were linked to NHAI projects. Company also said that they've bid for 16,000 crore worth of projects. So it'll be interesting to see, as details emerge, what is the current order book and what is it that the company is guiding for.
All right, Vivek, thank you very much for that. So that is basically some news related to names, but more. And there is the list. Vamakshi is here with that one. Vamakshi, good morning.
Well, absolutely. Good morning. Let me first start off with Zydus Lifesciences. The company has issued clarification report with respect to increased competition for Ceigall HD generic. They have highlighted that the impact has already been factored into the sales as well as the EBITDA estimates for FY25. They've also guided for an improvement in the consolidated EBITDA margin by around 150 basis points for FY25, and this is as compared to EBITDA margin of nearly 27.5% that we saw in FY24. They're estimating high teens consolidated revenue growth to also come through this year, and given all of those factors, going with the green for Zydus Lifesciences. HCLTech is the next stock on our radar, and that is because the company and Xerox have extended the agreement to drive innovation with AI and digital innovation. Partnership between the company and Xerox has been had started back in 2009, and under this partnership, HCLTech will deliver a unified interface that transforms the way employees and clients engage with Xerox. HCLTech will leverage automation, product engineering, and process operation services to digitally transform Xerox. So going with the green for HCLTech. Coforge is the next counter that I'm tracking, and that is because Motilal Oswal funds have acquired an additional 1.91% stake in the company, and with this, the total stake in the company has risen to 5.42%. Brainbee Solutions also expected to open higher after SBI MF under various schemes has acquired 4.5 lakh shares. With this, its stake in the company has risen above the 5% mark. And lastly, let's also focus in on Dilip Buildcon. The arbitration tribunal has pronounced an order in favor of the company. The award relates to arbitration of company against the Public Works Department (BNR) in Punjab and pertains to construction of Dharamkot bypass in Punjab. NHAI under this award has been asked to pay Dilip Buildcon 16.65 crores. Interest may be levied in case of non-payment. So overall, given this arbitration award in favor of Dilip Buildcon, going with the green for this counter.
Okay, all right. Thanks for that, Vamakshi. Going back to Vivek, then he's tracking a couple of companies that saw large trades yesterday. Vivek, we know the buyers and sellers. Tell us more.
That's right. So post-market hours, the details are out, who sold and who bought. So two companies on the radar. First one is AU Small Finance Bank. Yesterday saw almost 1.7% equity change hands. So the seller, very interestingly, was FinCare Business Services, 1.7% stake. They sold at 630 rupees a share. Deal size at a little over 800 crore. Who is FinCare Business Services? It was the ex-promoter entity of FinCare Small Finance Bank. That was the company that actually merged with AU Bank. They continue to hold a little over 6% stake in the company. Amongst the key buyers was DSP Mutual Fund, picking up over 1.3% stake. Whole list of other buyers as well. MedPlus Health, yesterday saw a very large block deal in terms of the percentage of equity trading hands. So Warburg Pincus actually made a complete exit yesterday. Lavender Rose Investment, that was the entity under which Warburg held stake. 11.35% stake sold at 616 rupees a share. Whole host of buyers, top amongst them being ICICI Prudential Pharma and Healthcare Fund, 1.4% stake they picked up in the company in the block yesterday.
Okay, all right, got it. Thank you very much, Vivek, for all the details there. Lots of action there on plenty of individual stocks. So let's quickly recap that list for today. The stocks that have positive news flow around them are Medi Healthcare, Ceigall India, Zydus Lifesciences, HCLTech, Coforge, Brainbee Solutions, Dilip Bilcon, and MedPlus Health. Stocks with negative news flow around them are GPT Infra and AU Small Finance Bank.